Right, question 12, part E. So we've got that tangent line, y equals -4x, touches the curve C at the point B, and we need to find the y coordinate of B. So you can probably see it here on the graph. I've already actually labeled the coordinate in. It's going to touch at x equals 1 and y equals -4. So let's see how we can go about solving that. So basically, all we have to do is plug in y equals -4x into our equation for the curve C there and solve for x. That's going to give us a quadratic in x squared. And then we can, once we've solved for x, we can go back and find y. So we're going to end up with 4x squared plus -4x all squared minus 24x plus 4 times -4x plus 20, that equal to 0. So simplifying this, the x squared parts, we're going to end up with, well, 4 squared and then 16 squared. So we're going to get 20x squared, and then the x parts, so you end up with minus 24x and then minus 16x, so that's minus 40x, and then plus 20 is equal to 0, which simplifies quite nicely to x squared minus 2x plus 1, and that is just x minus 1 squared equal to 0, so therefore x is equal to 1, and we're also given y is equal to -4x, so y is equal to -4 times 1, -4. So the y-b coordinate is equal to -4. And just depending on the question, you can always just use your graphing calculator to solve some of these quadratics. This one was quite simple. It factorized very neatly. But if it was a bit more complicated or didn't factorize, you can always just go straight to the graphing calculator in paper 2.